What's in the fridge?
Hey, welcome back. Today we're making a quick Taco Tuesday. We've got to make dinner quickly using yesterday's leftover chicken, cheese, tortillas, and this awesome cream that I bought at Costco. We're going to shred the cheese. All right, just prep it. And we're going to take the chicken and give it a good chop, making the pieces as thin as you'd like. Yeah, I did sloppy work because, like I said, I've got hungry mouths to feed. We're gonna put this into the pot to give it a nice warm up, adding that little gelatin stuff. It's flavoring, so add that in there with a little water. Give that a good mix until it's warm. Now, that's our old comal. We are gonna use the new one, the Comal 6000. And so hopefully with this bad boy, I'm gonna get to feed my kids faster in less time. So we're gonna take our corn tortillas. I do not recommend these, but I was in a rush. I grabbed what I could. I'm gonna use 2 at a time, flipping them. First the top flip and then 2 flip. Then the top flip and the 2 flip. You just gotta keep it a pattern, but you'll get it. So once those are done quickly, I mean, you can make 4 in one time. Once you get the finger calloused enough for that, you'll be gold. So let's put this all together now, taking everything we've prepped, starting with our tortilla. I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken, cheese, add our cream, the cilantro cream. Look at that. My child's already eager to eat. And there you go. Such a quick and easy dish to make, and that's what's in the fridge today.
What's in